Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold turns higher on increased uncertainty. Gold edges up on a weaker dollar as US private sector hiring plunged in May. Gold steady underpinned by weak US economic data. And this is the chart of gold. So my dear friends, yesterday we got to see these big green candles on the chart of gold. And overall, yes, we can see the chart is steady. Market sentiment is also steady. Technically, we can see that gold is trading inside a range right now. If we look at the overall time frame, then obviously there is no doubt that overall the market is bullish. But as a day trader, we can see that gold is looking for a direction right now. As we have already discussed in a previous video also, okay, to continue the upside, gold needs to break 3400. Then only we can consider that, okay, gold is bullish again. Gold is heading towards 3500. As long as gold is trading below 3400, market will be sideways or market will be choppy. And moreover, this is NFP week. Okay, tomorrow we have non-farm payroll NFP, and before a major event like NFP, CPI, we see that market do not show big moves. So you can expect the sideways nature of the market to continue dominate today as well. Tomorrow, after NFP, if market takes a reaction, okay, then we can expect the market to continue with that direction. But as of now, market is looking for a direction, and we can expect the market to look for a direction till tomorrow. This is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and since yesterday, market was taking support around 3370 level. But in the morning, as I mentioned on the group also, that we can expect the market to break the support because market was forming lower highs here. And we also discussed on the group that the next support is around 3363 area. As expected, market broke the support of 3370 and market has taken support. So if you are a part of the community, then hope you made some money in the morning. And if you're still not a part, feel free to join the Telegram community. The link will be in the description. You can also see on the screen, I guess. You can also scan the QR code. Okay. For timely updates, analysis, if anything crazy happens, okay, I update here. So feel free to join the free Telegram community. And the level of 3363 is no longer valid. You cannot expect this level to work in the market again. So on the chart of gold, the next support is around 3350 area. You can see we have a next support on 3352 to 3350. Okay. You can also consider 3353 to 3350. Means during the day, okay, if market comes down, because on the lower time frame, we can see market is forming lower highs. So and also lower lows. So we can expect the market will be okay little bit going down, not trend reversal, okay, and we will get a good bounce around 335350 area because market is taking support around this area previously. The second support on the chart of gold is around 3346 3343. This is the second support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position because of previous price rejection around this area. So this level is no longer valid. Okay, 3363. So during the day, if we see market coming down, taking support around 50 52 area, 46 43 area, we can look for a buy position. But in the evening also we have a news. Okay, if market shows some crazy moves, okay, just avoid it because the red boxes here are not very reliable support. We are on the 50-minute time frame, do not forget, and levels from lower time frame are unreliable in comparison to the levels from the higher time frame. Okay, but if market stays sideways, choppy, there is not much volume in the market, then we can expect these red level zones to work. Okay. And in case of a crash, in case of a sudden accident, the support zones from yesterday will come into the scene. They are still very much valid. 3340 to 3333 and then 3319 3315. Okay, these are the levels. Okay, still very much valid in the market. If market starts falling, we can expect the market to take support around this area. The green boxes are more reliable in comparison to the red boxes here. Okay, if market stays like this, low volume, then you can expect the market to take support. How much you can expect? Initially, you can expect 40 to 60 pips. After 40 to 60 pips, if you see further potential, then you can continue. Otherwise, do not have high expectation from this market right now. If things change during the European session, US session, that's a different story. Right now, 40 to 60 pips is decent enough in a market like this before NFP. And as we have already discussed in the previous videos also, that market needs to break 3392. Okay, 3392, then only we can look for a buy position above it. Means it will be a breakout above this area. But as of now, chances are very less, because before NFP, market usually do not go for breakout and breakdowns. But still, if it does, you can look for a buy above 3392 area if it is accompanied by volume. Okay, and if you love to take risks, you are a high risk daredevil kind of a trader, okay, you can also look for a breakout above 3386. Okay, this is not a very good good trading opportunity, but still, if you love to trade, if you have experience, you can also look for a buy above 3386 area, and on your TP will be the next resistance of 3390, Okay. So these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. Okay. And if you are looking for opportunities on lower time frame, like 5 minutes or 1 minute, then please be careful. As a trader, your duty, okay, is to take trades, good trades, not to take too many trades. So if you find it okay difficult to trade on gold right now as a beginner, then as I said earlier also, okay, you can look for opportunities outside gold, because for the last 3 months, 3 4 weeks, gold is really giving us a